Audi has chosen the New York Auto Show for the North American premiere of its luxury sedan, the A6, a first-class ride that comes with many of the technologies and innovative devices launched on the recent A8 and A7. The A6 now boasts a more distinctive and aerodynamic look characterized by a 0.24 drag coefficient and balanced proportions. The single-frame hexagonal grille is both low and wide, the headlight clusters are sleeker and the front air inlets are more pronounced. Combined, all this makes for a sportier appearance. A chrome strip runs across the rear, connecting the two taillights. The trunk still offers a volume of 530 liters, but a newly redesigned opening makes it easier to load. Plus, you can now pop the trunk by swiping your foot under the rear bumper. The new 2019 Audi A6 is longer and wider than its predecessor, while its wheelbase is increased to provide more space for passengers. The real metamorphosis took place in the super slick cabin where digital technology is king. There are two high-definition color touchscreens with acoustic and haptic feedback used as the interface for the car's various systems, as with the A8 and A7. The 10.1-inch upper screen acts as the interface for the navigation, infotainment and communication functions, while the 8.6-inch lower screen controls heating and air conditioning, as well as the heated and ventilated seats. It can also be used as a tablet that lets you input an address for the navigation system or even dial a phone number. The Audi virtual cockpit that replaces the traditional driver instrument panel is also present and accounted for. Like the A8 and A7, the new A6 has all the necessary equipment for Level 3 autonomous driving. With the driverless acknowledgement, the vehicle can guide itself when cruising under 60 km/h on the highway. Right now, Level 3 autonomous driving is only allowed in certain areas, but it is expected that many countries will soon be updating their laws to allow it. The new 8th generation A6 will make its European debut this summer before heading our way toward the end of 2018.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.